Couponing with Tisa. Hey guys, I am back with another TEMU haul video for you guys. This time I got some really good goodies in here, some clothing items and other items I think you guys can really use in your day-to-day lives. So if you haven't already done so, look down in the description box and click on that link to join TEMU today and get up to 30% off for our new users, you guys. So I'm going to insert my code here. Click on that link, use my code, sign up, get 30% off your first orders. They have some amazing products. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'm going to put the link to that as well in the description box so you can go see some of those products that I got the last time and I reviewed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this next haul video. So first up, we have this, which I know what it is. It is a pair of sneakers that I picked up because your girl is not young as I used to be. So I'm really into comfortable sneakers. And I had not had a pair of cream ones, so I picked these babies up and decided it was time to step my game up. So I picked these beautiful sneakers up, you guys. They're very soft and comfortable inside. The insert, very good, flexible grip. Let me try them on for y'all. As you can see, they come tied up, so you can always take it off and adjust it. But you can actually just slide your foot inside of it. That one. There's this one. Really cute, lightweight sneaker. So I'm really excited about it. It's really cute, very fashionable. Feels light on my feet, so definitely excited about these new sneakers. So here is the sneaker that I bought. Again, I will show you guys a picture here of the ones I actually purchased and the price that they cost right now. And of course, the link will be down below in my box. So let's open up the next package. All right, next up, we have another pair of shoes because, y'all, I love me some shoes. These are so cute. Always need a little fashionable little shoe, and I decided to pick these little babies up. They are so cute, very flexible. Again, got the little buckle on the side, just a real cute pointy toe shoe. So let me try these on for you guys too. Like I said, really cute, fashionable, flat shoe. Really easy to put on. You can wear it with a little sock or a little stocking, a little no-show. But I'm so excited about these shoes. I think they are super cute. And they have a good little grip on the bottom too. So let me know what you guys think. Again, a very cute, fashionable looking shoe that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. So of course I'll insert it here, how much it costs for you guys to get it, and I'll put the link down below in my description box. So let's get to the next unveiling. Can y'all tell your girl was going for the fashion this time around? Because I'm trying to up my game, y'all. And so I bought this really cute purse for the spring going into the summertime. It is so super cute. It has a zipper to help keep it secure. So if you're wondering if it's secure, this is a really cute bag, especially if you're just, you know, going out for the evening with your girls, your guys, your significant other. If you're going to the beach, it's a cute little tote bag for the beach. So yeah, it's so super cute. Little canvas, little tote bag. So click the link down below if you guys are interested in ordering this bag. And I'll put the insert here to show you guys just how much it costs. You can pick it up for yourself. And I wanted to show you guys just how cute it is with the shoes. So it matches nice with the shoes, but it also matches pretty nicely with the sneaker as well. So definitely a good little combination. I can't wait to wear an outfit with all of these. Now, we all take showers and bath and stuff, and I'm always one that's conscious about my hair because I don't like to get my hairdo wet, especially when I have a new do going on. So I ordered this shower cap, and It is so super cute. It's big enough to fit my entire head because, as you can see, I do not have a small head. So I'm very excited about using this shower cap in the shower. It's super cute. It's got these hearts and stuff on it. But like, again, I said, it's big enough to fit my head and cover my entire head so I don't get wet. So I don't get wet in the shower. So if you're interested and need a shower cap, make sure you check it out in the description box. And also here is a photo of it as well to show you guys how much it cost. I am a sucker for makeup items as well. So I picked up this liquid makeup brush. So super cute. It's got these little handles right here to keep it in place. And the bristles are so soft, you guys. Look at that. It's so cute. So I'm going to put some of my liquid foundation on here and apply it so you guys can see me using the product and how smooth it goes onto my skin. All right, got a close up for you guys. This is one of my favorite liquid foundations. And it blends in so nice, you guys. So if you're one that normally like puts on your foundation with your hands, this brush is so magical. It feels so good on my skin. Make sure you get that neck and blend in good with your neck as well. But yeah, this is definitely a good purchase for you guys. So the link is in the bio, and here is how much it cost now. Hope you pick up this super, oh God, that feels so good, y'all. Like, I'm not even playing, it's so soft. Okay, next product. All right, next up is a couple of laundry products I knew that were a must buy because I get so tired of trying to locate all of my undergarments. So I picked up this laundry bag this one is for underwear in particular. So you can put all of your underwear in this little baggie here, especially those more fragile panties, and set it on the gentle cycle in your wash machine, and then you don't have to look for it. They're all in one little pouch. So definitely recommend picking this up. I think I paid like $1 and like 15-16 cents for it, but here is how much it costs now. So yeah, definitely encourage you all to get a laundry bag for your unmentionables. Here is another product for your unmentionables as well. So for those fancy bras that we have, you can also have a case to put your bras in as well. I know you get tired of them getting all tangled up in your clothing or around the spin cycle in your wash machine. So you can actually put your bras in here. So yeah, you can put your bras in here. That way they're not getting caught up in everything, and it makes it much easier for you to wash your undergarments. So definitely encourage you guys to check this product out. Again, here is a picture of it and how much it costs for now. Here is another really good item I would highly recommend, especially if you are a blanket bandit like myself. I love a good throw blanket. So I bought this to help store some of my blankets, you guys. It is so super cute. It's got a nice little handle here for you. It's got a window so you can see exactly what blanket you have in here. So it basically comes out to like a square. Again, you can see what blankets you have in here, especially if you have seasonal blankets like I do. I have like different blendings for the winter, the spring, the summer, and the fall. So this is a good little case for me to store my blankets that I'm not currently using inside of, and I can fit the whole comforter set and all of the linen that goes with it. So definitely check it out. Here is the link for it in the description box, and then here is a photo of it and how much it costs right now. And another product I got in my last haul was this placemat, you guys. Of course, it's just me, but of course you can get multiple ones. You can get a whole full set of 4. As you can see through it, but it does help get up stains and help block stains from getting onto your table and everything. So it wasn't that expensive. Again, I only bought one because it's just me. But you guys can pick up the entire set. It's very durable, strong material. So definitely a cute little placemat that you guys can get. Again, the link will be down in the description box, so just make sure you click down there. But here's an insert of it so you guys can see how much it costs now. All right, guys, and that is my TEMU haul for this week. Again, don't forget to click on the link down in the description box if you guys are interested in signing up and get that 30% off. Just click on that link, put in my code that is on the bottom of the screen there for you guys and get to saving. Again, this is a great website. I've been pleasantly surprised and pleased with every single item that I've received thus far. So definitely some good items to pick up. Make sure you browse through the rest of the website to see what they're offering as well. And again, if you're interested in any of the products that I showed you guys today, just mosey on down to that description box. Everyone, you can click on the link individually and it'll take you to the product on TEMU itself. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless. Peace out, guys.